Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School Online Education. This is the class of Standard 1. The lecture of mathematics is going to be started. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. The thought is, every new day brings with it another chance to change the life. Yes, my dear students, every day comes with a new sunshine. It gives you a lots of chance to become happy, to become successful. Every day comes with a positive message for you. So don't become nervous, and a very large best of luck to all my dear tiny students for their successful life. Before we start, everyone sit straight, make your back straight. Tell me, how are you all? Fine? Happy? Ready to learn new things? Tell me what you have completed till now. English, Maths, Science. You all are ready for FA3 examination? Very nice. So, our current chapter is chapter number 8, which is measurement. Before we start, let me inform you about learning objectives for the whole chapter number 8, which are: how long, how tall, how heavy, finding the weight, measure the capacity, problem solving. These are the things which we have to learn in the whole chapter. Out of that, we have completed how long, how tall. Do you remember we learned about length, how heavy? This is the current topic. Today we are going to solve one more exercise regarding the same. So, let's begin our class. As our FA3 exam is going to be started, let me inform you with syllabus of FA3 exam, which is chapter number 7 and 8. Chapter number 7, subtracting greater numbers. Chapter number 8, measurement. Tables 6 and 7. This is the syllabus of FA3 exams. Chapter 8, measurement. What is a measurement? Measurement means compared to a fixed standard value. To measure something is to give a number to some property of the thing. Measuring something puts the amount of the thing into numbers. Measurement can be written using many different units. What are the main units of measurement? In this chapter, we are going to learn about these three units: length, weight, capacity. Measurement of length. What is a length? Length is the term used for identifying the size of an object or distance from one point to. Length is a measure of how long an object is, or the distance between 2 points. The length of an object is its extended dimension, that is its longest side. What is a height? Height is defined as the distance from the bottom to the top of something, or the highest point or the greatest degree. We can measure the height from bottom to top or top to bottom. How tall? These are some of the things that are in my school bag. Find their height by counting the erasers. The cup is as tall as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 erasers. The pencil is as tall as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 erasers. The juice carton is as tall as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 erasers. The book is as tall as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 erasers. Weight. I play in the park every evening. Here I am with my friends on the seesaw. The heavier side goes down and lighter side goes up. Look at this picture. Here both sides have same weight. It is equal in size. Now observe this picture carefully. One side is heavier, so it is going down. When one side is lighter, which goes upwards. Heavy, light, light, heavy. Observe this picture. This side looks heavier. 3 children are sitting at this side, when 2 are sitting at this side. This one goes towards down, so it is heavier. This is light, heavy, light, light, heavy. My book weighs as much as 2 pencil boxes. Look, here you can see 3 images. In first image, we can observe a weighing scale. This side of scale is empty, when here there present a pencil box. Book. This is a book. In next picture, At one side there present a book. Another side there is a one pencil box. In last image you can see that here one book is present, when on this side two pencil boxes are present. So we can say that this book's weight is as much as two pencil boxes. Fill in the boxes. Now everyone, look at the screen properly. What you have observed there? A weighing scale. Okay. So what's present on that weighing scale? In one side there are mangoes. Another side there are some oranges. So we are going to compare the weight of mangoes with the weight of oranges. 1, 2 and 3. 3 mangoes weight as much as a dash oranges. Count this everyone. I am waiting for you so that everyone can count it properly. Count properly. How many oranges are there? Try to count it by your own so that you all can understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can say that 3 mangoes weight as much as 7 oranges. If we want to compare the weight of these 3 mangoes with oranges, it is as much as 7 oranges. Again, we are having a picture or image of a weighing scale. Have you ever visited vegetable market, fruit market, at grocer shop? Have you seen this type of weighing scale? Very nice. So, here we are going to use this weighing scale to compare the weight. At one side of the weighing scale there presents 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 books weight as much as dash water bottle. Oh, look, here we are having a water bottle. So, how many water bottles are there? There is only one water bottle. 4 books weight as much as one water bottle. Eight pencils weight as much as dash sandwich. Here we are having 8 pencils. On the other side there present one sandwich. We can say that 8 pencils weight as much as one sandwich. 2 snack boxes weight as much as dash dusters. Now look at this image. Here you can see that these are 2 snack box, 2 lunch box. Oftenly you use the word lunch box for this snack box. So here we can see 2 lunch box or snacks box. At this side there are some dusters. Let's see how many dusters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 snack boxes weight as much as 5 dusters. How much does it weight? How heavy is each object I carry to school? Yes, my dear students, here we are going to measure the things which you are taking at the school in your school bag. Lunch box, water bottle, books, snacks, fruits. Okay. I carry a banana to school every day. What does a child says? That I carry a banana to school every day. The banana weighs about dash clay balls. Yes, we are going to compare the weight of the things with clay balls. Look at here. They are present a colorful clay balls. 1, 2 and 3. 3 clay balls. The banana weighs about 3 clay balls. Understand? Let's solve it. Which image is this? Who says, what is this? A water bottle. And here you can see some clay balls. My water bottle weighs about dash clay balls. Everyone write down this properly. My water bottle weighs about dash clay balls. Count the clay balls. How many clay balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 clay balls on the other side of weighing scale. So we can say that water bottle weighs about 7 clay balls. Wow! You can see a book here. Some clay balls in the other side of scale. Which book is it? My maths book. Yes. We are going to talk about the weight of maths book. My maths book weighs about dash clay balls. The maths book is at one side of the scale. Let's see how many clay balls are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My maths book weighs about 5 clay balls. Everyone write down. My maths book weighs about 5 clay balls. Comparing weights. A box of cornflakes at a home weighs about dash clay balls. Who likes to have cornflakes in the breakfast? Everyone. Very nice. Look at here, my dear students. You can see the box of cornflakes. And here you can see some clay balls. We are going to compare the weight of cornflakes and clay balls. Let's see how many clay balls are there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clay balls. A box of cornflakes at home weighs about 5 clay balls. The book and the cornflakes box both weigh the same. How? Let's see. This book's weight is about 5 clay balls, as well as a cornflakes box weight is about 5 clay balls. So we can say that the book and the cornflakes box both weight are same. Comparing heavy and light. Look, which is heavier? This one is heavier. This one is lighter. Heavy, light. Light, heavy. Look at the screen, my dear students. What you have seen there? There are some objects. Which are there? Observe this carefully and tell me, what is it? These are some of the scales which we are normally using to weigh the things. Let's see. First of all, this is the weighing scale which we have seen in previous exercise. Balance scale. Oftenly, vegetable vendor or fruit vendor are using this. Observe this scale carefully. This is digital scale. Who have seen this digital scale? Tell me. Now normally at the grocer shop we can see this type of digital scale. Look, here there are some numbers on it which shows the weight about the things present on the scale. This is called kitchen scale. Normally used to measure the things present in the kitchen. This is bathroom scale or normally weighing scale which we are using to weight for our body. And this is used to measure the temperature. These are some of the scales which we are using in our day-to-day life. Heavy or light? Yes, my dear students, we are going to make practice of worksheet about heavy or light. Let's see which object is heavy. Which object is heavy? You can see some objects present over here. Now tell me, among these two objects, which is heavier? This one or this one? This one is heavier. Make a tick mark on it. Now look at here. Which is heavier? This nail or this one? This one is heavier. Here also you can see some objects. Tell me which is heavier, this one or this one? By observing we can say that this one is heavier. In this picture we can see two different fish. Which is heavier, this one or this one? This one is heavier. Make a tick mark on it. Now, which object is light in weight? You want to solve this? Yeah. Very nice. I'm waiting. You all observe this properly and try to solve it. We have to find out which object is light in weight. Okay. In previous we have completed to find out which object is heavier. Now here we have to find out the lighter object. Observe this carefully and tell me which object is lighter. This is the red chili and a banyan tree. Which is lighter, a tree or chili? What is lighter? This one is lighter. Bicycle and car. What is heavier, bicycle or car? Obviously, what is lighter? Sorry. Here we are going to find out the lighter one. Which is lighter? Obviously, it is a bicycle. A paper and a ball. Is a paper lighter or ball? Which one is light in weight? Think in your mind. Two pairs are left. Think in your mind. Where should I make tick mark? Which is the lighter one? Here we can say the paper is light. Last one is remaining. A cup and a balloon. Think in your mind. What is the lighter one? Cup or balloon? Where should I make tick mark? Yes, the balloon is the lighter one. Make a tick mark on it. My dear students, the explanation and comparison of weight becomes completed over here. In next chapter, we will understand about the last topic, which is capacity. Length and weight, both topics are going to be completed over here. So, in next lecture we discuss and learn about the capacity. At your home, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.